Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Paul Chamberlain, the Air Force guy, RV Extraordinaire, coming a day with the latest and greatest from Grand Design. This is the Imagine, it's the XLS 21BHE. So this is their extra light series that they're just introducing. First floor plan out. If you're looking for something light that can sleep a ton of people, this may be just the right unit for you. Now, please do keep me in mind if in fact you're in the market for a new or pre-owned RV. Reach out to me. All my contact information is down below. But let's get on to this camper. So on the outside, looking at the front, what you're going to notice is it has the rock guard down below. You're going to have your LP bottles and so forth. Looking on your off-door side, you're going to notice nice and sleek. There's no slides in this particular unit, but take a look at this front storage. So you open up the door here, you can see that's where you're going to have your service. That's where you're going to go ahead and turn your battery disconnect on, go ahead and hook up your water and so forth. But look at how much storage you have under here. And these are sensor lights. You can have them on all the time, off all the time, or you can put them in the sensor mode, meaning that once motion is sensed, it will turn on. Now, towards the back end of the off-door side, you're going to notice that you have a light for your servicing area. Also notice you have a black tank rinse, which is awesome. For those of you that maybe not have had those before, you will definitely appreciate it. Looking on the back side of your camper, you can notice you have a ladder to get up on the roof. Also, it's wired and framed for a rear observation camera. Full walk-on roof for here. Looking down your door side, you're going to notice, of course, you're going to have the electric awning, your LED lights, outside stereo speakers, your norm. But this one has an outside kitchen. Nice thing with this outside kitchen, as you can see, you have your 2-burner cooktop, little storage area with a light and an outlet, nice size refrigerator, as well as there's a sprayer port just to the aft end of that little storage bin there, just before the awning. So this is the outside. Let's get you into the inside. So as we're getting inside here, what you're going to notice is that they spread the axles apart a little bit, make it a little bit nicer for towing. But let's get on inside here. Nice grab handle as you're coming in, 2 steps. Let me just kind of pan and give you an idea of what you're looking at before I start discussing it. So as you can see, this is going to have like a Murphy bed style front bed along with bunks. So as you come in, what you're going to notice is right here, this is where you go ahead and check all your levels and so forth. Water heaters, the Atwood, gas and electric, your lights, your awning, everything right there. Of course, your furnace, be able to control it right there as well. The AC is going to be controlled right on the air conditioner. You have this nice little skylight here, and it does have the little shade, so if that's too much sun beating down on you, you go ahead and cover that up. Of course, this is going to have your king jack antenna. Nice thing with that, you don't have to worry about putting it up and down. Now take a look at these bunk beds back here. Nice job with that is you don't need a ladder. Kids can just climb right up on that dinette and be able to get right up on into it. And look at the windows. They actually have the windows. You're going to also notice that they have their own light switches, their own individual curtains, which is nice. And then, of course, they're going to have the USB ports for their iPods, phones, and so forth. Notice how all the shades for the windows are the dark blackout. Cool thing about this dinette table, ladies and gentlemen, is they're using this telescopic type dinette table. So all you have to do is unloosen that, just pull either one of these levers. You're going to pull both of those, and you're going to push that right down in place. No more, it's not cumbersome like where you have to take it off of those and all that stuff. Makes it very, very easy to put down and make that a bed. Taking a look at your kitchen area, of course you're going to have your pantry, standard refrigerator. Of course you can see the microwave. Now they've gone to the Furrion for your overhead, for your vent, as well as the Furrion for your oven and cooktop. That's a flush mounted cooktop. Nice thing with this, with the Furrion, is the fact that you have a light inside the oven. Their drawers, full extension drawer glides, as you can see. Ball bearings for those. And then, of course, with your sink, the cool thing about this sink is that it is the large sink. And look at how high that high-rise faucet is. Right above it, this is where you're going to have your AM/FM CD stereo. This is the Jensen. It has a DVD player in it as well. Now let's go back and take a look at the bathroom. This bathroom is going to be basically the same size as their 2800 bunk houses or the 2400. As you can see, plenty of room in front of the toilet. Good counter space. You've got a window. You've got a skylight. You've got a power vent fan. And then, of course, you also have your... this will be for your any storage that you might want to put some things back there. Place to hang your towels on the wall as well as on the door. And that is a foot pedal toilet. And look at how large that shower is, and it does have the skylight above it. So this is the bathroom. Now looking forward, what you're going to notice is that it has a Murphy style bed. So let me show you how that works. Okay, so now you want to put the bed down. Very, very simple. It has a lock. Just got to make sure you get the TV angled out of the way. And all we're going to do is we're just going to unlock it here. It's just a little latch. This will come down. You want to make sure you're out of the way there because you won't be able to fit through there once that's down. Now, the nice thing they've done with the mattress cover, notice how they've wrapped it down over the mattress. That makes it much easier. It's not going to be falling all over the place. Makes it easier for your bedspread to stay on the bed. So there's room in there for you to put your pillows and all that good stuff. If you put your sheets on it, then put this bedspread back over, it's not going anywhere. It makes it very, very nice. In order, of course, you're going to have the storage up above there. You've got your reading lights, or these could be just little blue lights as you can see them right now. And then, of course, you're going to have storage on either side as well as a pull-out drawer on either side. Of course, you're going to have power over here and the like. To put it back, all you're going to do, just push this mattress back up. As you can see, it just folds back up in there. This is going to just fold up in here. The nice thing is you don't have to do anything. It just pushes right back into place. And there you have it. It's that simple. Now you've got a sofa. So I had mentioned that you have outlets over here. What you're going to have is on both sides, you're going to have 110 outlets. Right over here, you're going to have 110 and your USB. On the opposite side, that's where you have just 110. But notice you have a nice little storage area here. You're going to have drawers down below your sofa on both sides there. And then, of course, look at your TV up top there. That TV, you could pull it out and swivel it. Makes it quite nice. Makes it easy for you. So you can swivel it for the bed. You can swivel it for the children. Whatever works for you. So let me just pan through here one last time, just to kind of get an idea of what you're looking at. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The all-new Imagine XLS. This is the 21BHE by Grand Design. For more information on this camper or any others, be sure, if you're in the market, or even if you're starting in the market, you reach out to Paul the Air Force Guy, RV Extraordinaire, and I'll be more than happy to help you find the perfect camper for you. Check out my vlogs on Sundays, giveaways twice a month, free stuff. Got some great things coming in line, so don't miss out. Check out my how-to videos as well as product recommendations. If there's something in particular that you'd like me to cover, whether it's an RV, whether it is an aftermarket product, or whether you would like me to discuss some type of a maintenance tip, by all means just hit me up and I'll see what I can do. I appreciate you watching, and we'll be coming back at you again soon. Take care.